Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to set up ManyChat so it can automatically reply to Instagram comments in 2025. This feature is great if you want to engage with followers, boost interaction, and even drive traffic to your offers, all without manually replying to every comment. Step 1. Log into your ManyChat account. Make sure your Instagram account is connected to ManyChat. If not, go to Settings, then Instagram, and link your account. Step 2. Go to the Automation tab and select Comment Automation. This is where you can create rules for your Instagram comments. Step 3. Choose the post you want to monitor. You can select any post from your Instagram feed where you want automatic replies. Step 4. Set up your trigger. For example, you can make the bot reply when someone comments a specific keyword like guide or info. You can also set it to reply to all comments on that post. Step 5. Write your automatic reply. For example, thanks for your comment. Check your DMs for more details. Then you can also set ManyChat to send a follow-up direct message to that user. Step 6. Save and publish your automation. From now on, whenever someone comments, ManyChat will automatically reply. And that is it. You just set up ManyChat to automatically reply to Instagram comments in 2025. This is one of the most powerful ways to increase engagement and conversions with zero coding. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what ManyChat tutorial you want me to make next.